With each and every day, we rely on technology, especially our phones, more and more. But did you know that your phone can even keep you upright? I mean, how's your posture right now? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Head to cyberguy.com for more quick tips and to sign up for my CyberGuy newsletter. Using its gyroscope, accelerometer, and specially programmed algorithms, your iPhone can track your walking speed, step length, walking asymmetry, and double support time. With this data, your iPhone can score you in as okay, your walking steadiness is normal, and there's no risk of falling in the next 12 months. Or low, your walking steadiness has declined to a level where there is an increased risk of falling in the next 12 months. Or very low, your walking steadiness level is very unstable and there is a high risk of falling in the next 12 months. Your iPhone is going to send you a notification if your steadiness becomes low or stays low, and these notifications and steadiness data can be shared with friends, family, and caregivers. Turning this feature on is easy, and I would really recommend you do it because you can't go wrong here. Go to the Health app on your iPhone. The bottom right, click Browse, Mobility, and then Walking Steadiness Notifications. Scroll down to find Add to Favorites. You're now able to measure your walking steadiness. Please note that walking steadiness requires your iPhone to be placed within a front or waist pocket while walking to detect your motion accurately, not your back pocket. Head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter for a lot more.